We're here at Glorieta, Ayala, with Ash.
Yeah, I'm here and I'm so alone. Why?
And I'm
I have an experience about my big pocket. Am I right? Big pocket. What do you call that?
Oo nga. Belt. Ewan ko lang.
What do you call that in English? Magnanakaw.
Pickpocket.
Right. But not a pocket. It's a bag. It's a belt bag. So it's a belt bag. Oh, come on.
Ano ba? May 12.
Unforgettable. Life. You got it.
I'm broken-hearted but I'm happy. May meet akong bagong guy.
Yes, it's a gay actually, not a guy. And the personality is good. But you know, you gotta,
Ano ang English? Five. Second ka nung?
Side.
Siya?
Side, no?
Okay. Hindi ka na. Tayo.
Parang feeling ko.
Bye-bye.
Gotta go now.
At ang pizza niya. Okay na. Bye-bye.
Bye.